Kodaikanal, where mornings feel peaceful and life naturally slows down. Just 9 kilometers from Kodaikanal Lake, near Mother Teresa University. Welcome to Onyx Paradise, a hill station project surrounded by beautiful viewpoints, lush greenery, and 100% peace of mind. This is our fourth project by Onyx Realtors in Kodaikanal, with over 15 years of experience, trusted for creating some of Kodaikanal's most loved residential communities. At Onyx Paradise, we don't just sell plots, we also design and construct your dream home, making it a perfect choice for a holiday home, weekend getaway, or family get-together. Plot sizes range from 600 to 3,000 square feet, with prices starting from Rs 12 lakhs onwards. The project is DTCP and RERA registered and comes with everything a true home really needs. 24/7 CCTV security, a gated community, and 1 full year of free maintenance. Own a personal holiday home with added advantage of renting it out on weekends and earn attractive returns. So here, you get it all. A stress-free holiday home, a smart long-term investment, and the perfect weekend escape, all in one place. Don't wait. Call now and book your plot today.